Hi guys, Kathy here, and I thought I'd do a quick little garden update. This is my last rock garden that we put together. I just finished kind of pulling some weeds out of it and found this beautiful little fern taking hold here. It's amazing where they pop up. So anyway, we're going to leave that there and we'll come around and look at the other little gardens I just weeded. I do these videos, sometimes my mom gets to see these too. So you can see the Artemisia is doing really well. I have these little, they're like some kind of funky vine that keeps growing in between, so I keep coming back here and pulling them out when I see them. Anyway, sometimes I don't get them all. But anyway, my Artemisia is doing really well. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Shut off on me. Anyway, I've got my succulents here. They're doing really well. I'll come over here and peek at this one's doing really nice. This was a little fern that I found under the deck, and he's still doing good. So we're just gonna keep him there. More succulents and little weedies to pick, and my other Artemisia. They're all doing really well. And so anyway, we'll go over and take a look at the veggie garden. So here you can see I have lettuce coming out my ears practically. And it's mostly this lighter green variety. Although I do have some of the darker red lettuce back here. I had to give some to some neighbors, and it looks like I should cut it back again. I don't want it going to seed on me. So anyway, it's doing really well. Here's my green beans. And you can see they're just reaching the bamboo here, the first pole. So they'll start twining around that and climbing up. Come over here to the other vegetable bed, and you see we've got our little onions that I planted from seed. Those are growing well. And my nice lemon thyme, chives, and look at the tomatoes. They've surpassed the first pole. And what I do with mine is, first off, I plant them deep, and then as they grow up, I cut these shoots, that the leaves that come off. If there's not a bud on them, I cut them off as we go up. And you can see right now I've got a bunch of flowers here, and then I've got more sprouting up here. And each one, there's some more wonderful flowers here as well. They're doing really good. They've all got flowers. And anyway, they're almost up to the second pole. So once they surpass that second pole, I'll tie them again. And I'm going to keep cutting off the side branches as we go. That sends more energy up into the plant and makes them grow stronger and develop the fruit better. So now we'll come over here and look at my flower garden, and you can see my lupins hiding under here because the cosmos is growing like crazy. It's really doing well. I can't wait until we start to grow up and get some flowers, but the lupins are doing okay. We'll see. Hopefully I get some flowers on those. There's my lavender. I don't know if it's gonna flower or not. We'll find out. Oh, it should. See, I've got here we go, a little flower bud right there. I'm sure there's more. There must be more hiding in here, so I'm sure I'll get some flowers on the lavender. The sweet peas, I don't know. I'm not really sure if they're going to do much. They're up, they're out of the ground. Some of them are getting taller. But anyway, I'm wanting them to get up to this pole so they start releasing their tendrils around the pole and growing up high, because they're supposed to get quite tall. We've had a lot of rain though this spring, so. But the cosmos is loving it. Look at how lush and pretty the cosmos is. So anyway, that's my quick garden update. Oh, and I did plant my lilac tree back here in the corner, and it's doing really well right now. So I think we're good with that transplant. So anyway, just a quick garden update from my garden to yours. And I guess we better get to eating on that lettuce. So we'll catch you on the next garden update. Thanks for watching.